India has made significant progress over the years, yet one cannot deny the challenges in providing quality education to all, making health services accessible to everyone, generating livelihood opportunities, minimizing the gender gap, and adopting environmentally sustainable practices, with an idea to contribute in improving the quality of life and bringing the desired progress through people's participation. Humana People to People India was founded in 1998.
We used to go house and house to talk about the water, then hand pump, repairing. We used to the first people who given the chance to the women to repair the hand pumps. I convinced them. If a hand pump is not working, if your husband is in the field, how you will do it?
So when we started the organization, the idea was to start community development projects where we actually established a team in the community, a project team, and then they, together with the community, identified the different development challenges in the community and the needs of the community, and also solutions to those challenges. And then implement a program together with people to actually make the life better for everyone in that community.
As we were working with the community development programs, we identified other needs within communities, leading us towards other programs requiring more focused interventions.
Young people, 14, 15 years old, who came forward and said they were very bright young men and girls, but when we asked them, what is your education? They said, we have no education, we never went to school. So this really hit us, and we decided to do something about it, and we started the whole concept of Academy for Working Children. Learn to read and write and basic mathematics.
Over the period of time, these academies for working children developed into a larger intervention like the Kadam program in education. It has been designed towards bridging the learning gap for children.
We have our Kadam Out of School Children program, we have our Kadam in School program. So Kadam Out of School program is of course aligned with the new national education policy to curtail dropouts and out of school children and to get all children back into school.
While working with the school education, the organization felt the need to work in the area of teacher education and implemented a pre-service teacher education program which was adopted by different state governments.
To support the district's Institute of Education and Training and implement our teacher training program, which we call Necessary Teacher Training Program, through the diets. The first state was Chhattisgarh, and then Haryana, and then Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. That's how we developed our teacher training program.
The Education Through Net program helped student teachers in improving their employment prospects as teachers.
लेकिन 99% बच्चों को नौकरी मिल जाना आज के समय में ये माइलस्टोन है, और उसमें मैं कहीं ना कहीं नहीं कहूँगा, सब कुछ कहूँगा, ड्यू टू दी लर्निंग ऑफ Humana.
In our health programs, we primarily focus on creating awareness and providing preventive and curative healthcare support for communicable and non-communicable diseases, and maternal and child health care.
In our health programs, we work also mainly with women and children because they are the ones that very often are left out or left behind in the development to have good health services for all. So we work with Anganwadi centers, we work with the local frontline health workers so that they can actually succeed in their work, reach the people in the field and specifically women, so that women have healthy children.
और हमारा यही ध्येय रहता है कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा महिलाओं को आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर के ऊपर और पीएससी सेंटर के ऊपर रजिस्टर करवा सकें, जिससे कि वो गवर्नमेंट की सारी फैसिलिटी अवेल कर सकें.
We are focusing on prevention and treatment of TB in alignment with the Sustainable Development Goal to end TB by 2030. In association with national TB programs, we are working in collaboration with the state TB coordinators to get maximum impact. An integral part of all our programs is to create equal opportunities for women in every aspect of life.
In our educational program, we have specific program addressing girls because we know that many girls, they drop out of middle school and secondary school because of various reasons. So we want to support the girls so they can complete their secondary education. In our community development program, I would say our largest program within the community development program now is to support women of improving livelihoods. And that is entrepreneurship training, it is starting a business, helping them to succeed in business, marketing their products and so on, so that women get more financial independence and in that way also get more power over their own lives.
अभी महिलाएं उद्योगिनी बन चुकी हैं। हम अपनी दुकान के खुद मालिक हैं, किसी के नीचे काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Environmental protection is another integral part of all our interventions. To mitigate the climate crisis, we are helping people in adapting environmentally sustainable practices.
पहले लोगों को हम प्रोग्राम में जोड़ते थे कि ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव हो या फिर कोई भी जैविक खेती के ऊपर किसानों को समझाना हो। आज वहाँ के लोग खुद गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज़ के पास जाके खुद उन स्कीम को ले रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छा इम्पैक्ट आया है कि लोग जागरूक हो गए।
The idea that brings all our programs together is the people-to-people approach. We work in partnership with the local stakeholders such as panchayats and other community-based organizations, align our programs with the national policies and develop cooperation with state governments. To implement our programs, we work in partnership with CSR partners, national and international foundations. The meaningful impact of our work has strengthened our belief in the last 25 years that communities are stronger together and we can make greater progress when we support one another.